Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on ambient sound enhancement for headphones Samsung Galaxy Buds3 Pro. You have to start by opening application. Now make sure that your buds connected to your device by open the case right here. Then scroll down, click on earbuds settings. Click on accessibility, and you should click on the last line. I should just put in one earbud, and I can do it. Excellent. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!